My country people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, and on a good evening, wherever you did for this world. Now me your girl Adabike, and I welcome una back to Abuja Tok Tok News. You know how they do for here now. I always they bring in a latest gist for on our screen and wetin happen across the world. So you know what you go do for me? Carry your seat, make it for sit down. If you want hold your popcorn, anything way you want take and step down. Carry on, because we want enter this story proper. And as it be, so the story too hot, even hot past local jazz song. So you know what go happen. Just sit down, relax, make for enter the story proper. And the first story we're going to look into now, comedian and media personality Nedu, alongside with very dark man, where we say they get serious heated issue on top one topic where we say happened for Nedu podcast. And this topic so they very sensitive and they touch the likes of family dynamic, infidelity and marriage. And this matter so it cause heated debates online, and many people don't they criticize the experience where we say they get for that show. They affect the gender role and relationship. I don't know what's in that one mean, but anyhow, make them settle their case. And the second story we're going to look into now the sad event which happened for Kogi State as one truck lose control, come fall on top one school shuttle bus, will lead to the death of 7 people, including 4 students. And this accident now don't cause serious protests for the school where they demand for better road safety for the area. This world now, person no fit go school in peace, make it come outside. These students now be no say they no go fit see Tuesday, neither they even see Wednesday or the end of the week. Now everybody life don't cut short. I beg, make government do something about that Kogi road. Make people life still dey safe. Make people no waste money say they go school at the end of the day. They no go see certificates collect. Anyway, it is well. May this fair soul of the faithful departed rest in peace. This next story, I beg oh, if your spouse gets infidelity issue, wetin be the next thing to do? No be to divorce the person if you go your separate way. Because tell me why officer of the law, Fadil Kitty, Mr. Caleb, he and his wife get heated issue where we say result to violent quarrel, where we say the woman cut off the man manhood. The man still even they stab the woman repeatedly. They shark by themselves. Can't leave 5 children all in the names of infidelity. Why? I hear say police don't dey on top the matter, they do investigation. But I beg, if you don't tire for your spouse, you self, you leave the person, leave the marriage, make everybody life they secured. Than to fight over something where be say you feel ignore. Wow. Some people too do. And the next story we want to talk about na matter wey happen for 2023 where we say 3 criminals go attack the house of Mr. Kinde and his family, wey include his wife and his son. These people, so they attack them, they kill them, still set their house on fire, and they can't arrest them. Now they don't judge their case for the High Court of Ogun State, and they don't sentence them to death by hanging. Somebody shout hallelujah. Another story na una Nigeria singer Portable Zazu Ze Pokotua. It don't enter another wahala again, as he allegedly assaults 3 government officials wey they work for Ministry of Planning and Urban Development. These government officials they accuse them, say he attacked them for zonal office, and now Portable they deny the allegation, say he no do anything like that. Even they claim on top of your offense, say they receive treatment for psychiatric home. I beg me see wahala. Anyway, he does surrender himself give police, cause Kai that Portable safe. No be the first time we say police they arrest and be this, so as he take assault police officers, even assault in signing joy. Anyways, they don't look into the matter, and they promise say he go face the law. And our final story for today, now the 90-year-old papa of the late billionaire banker Herbert Wigwe, where we say he don't carry his own 26-year-old granddaughter Utochi Wigwe. I beg no verse if the name no still correct. Carrying the pikin go court over property matter. This wahala don't start since after Herbert died last year, where we say the family now they drag who go inherit the man assets. I beg, who supposed inherit this man assets? No be the children. But no, the papa now he don't dey find house he won't take comot all the children from the inheritance wey be say their papa don't leave, and he don't even try allegedly to even change the man will again. The family know they in support of this matter, so they don't carry am go court, and they deliberate on the matter as we dey speak. So even papa they drag him own pikin will. Tis well oh. Okay, my country people, now here I go to drop the anchor of today's edition for Adama Tok Tok News. I remember your favorite girl, Adama BK. You know what you go just do for me, so just like this post, share the post, and stay safe. And I go see you next time with hot juice, we say hot like firewood jollof rice. You know what that means now. Gotcha. Bye.
Vibes and Cruise.